When your iPhone shows an iPhone unavailable message, it usually means too many failed passcode attempts have been made, which locks the device. Here are steps to help you fix it. 1. Wait and try again. If you only have a brief lockout message, e.g., iPhone unavailable, try again in 1 minute, you can wait for the timer to finish and then reattempt your passcode. Avoid guessing, as too many failed attempts could permanently disable your device. 2. Use Erase iPhone option, iOS 15.2 and later. If your iPhone runs iOS 15.2 or later, an Erase iPhone option will appear after multiple failed attempts. Tap Erase iPhone and follow the prompts to sign out of your Apple ID and erase the device. Once complete, you can restore it from an iCloud backup or set it up as new. 3. Use recovery mode for older iOS versions. If you can't access the Erase iPhone option, try using recovery mode. Connect your iPhone to a computer, Mac or PC. Put your iPhone into recovery mode. iPhone 8 and later. Press and release the volume up, then volume down. Press and hold the side button until the recovery screen appears. iPhone 7 Plus. Hold the volume down and sleep-wake button together until the recovery screen appears. iPhone 6s and earlier. Hold the home and sleep-wake buttons together until the recovery screen appears. On your computer, open Finder, Mac, or iTunes, Windows, and locate your device. Select Restore when prompted to reinstall iOS. 4. Use iCloud if Find My iPhone is enabled. Go to iCloud.com on another device and sign in with your Apple ID. Select Find iPhone All Devices, select your iPhone, and choose Erase iPhone. This will reset your device, and you can restore it from a backup or set it up as new. After erasing and restoring your iPhone, remember to set a passcode you'll remember to avoid this issue in the future. Or try these steps. To fix an iPhone that's unavailable, you can try these steps. Enter your passcode on the lock screen until the Device Unavailable screen appears. Tap Forgot Passcode in the bottom corner of the screen. Tap Start Device Reset on the Security Lockout screen. Enter your Apple ID password to sign out. Tap Erase Device to permanently delete your data and settings. Restore from an iCloud, macOS, or iTunes, Windows, backup. If you're still having trouble, you can connect your iPhone to a computer and use iTunes to update your phone to the latest operating system. The iPhone Unavailable message appears after you enter the wrong passcode more than 5 times in a row. If you keep entering the wrong passcode, you may end up permanently locked out.